Hello, friends and my beloved people. Kardam Namaskar. This is me, Francis, and you all are watching Francis Vlogs. And welcome back to my channel again. And today, I'm going to discover NRF, the Northeast Frontier Railway System. Yes, guys, today I'm going to discover and show for you all the Northeast Frontier Railway System. So, without taking any longer time, let's start our journey now. I am still on my way to the railway station, guys and my beloved people. I have not reached to the Nagaon railway station yet. So before that, you tried enjoying our Krishna Hall view. So this is nothing but this is our Krishna Hall, guys. View our Krishna Hall.
It's all about humanity. About It's all.
So guys, finally once again I'm here. Where I am, do you know? You can see this. So right now I'm here at railway station, Nagaon railway station. You can see. I'll show you something else. So you can see. So here I am. Here you can see. Okay guys, now do you know how many railway stations we usually have here at Nagaon? Do you know, anyone? How many railway stations we have here? Okay then, if you don't know, then I'm here to let you know always. Okay guys, we have got two railway stations here at Nagaon, and namely one is known as Nagaon railway station itself, where I am right now here, this place, Nagaon railway station, and the another one is known as Hybergaon railway station, Hybergaon. Both these two are located here at Nagaon town only, but the name are different. But today I have already came and I have already discovered and explored that. So today, but I have explored the first one, the Nagaon railway station one, the old one. And this is the old one, and the another one is the new one. Okay guys, and you know this railway station, the Nagaon railway station, it is, people usually says it is the oldest railway station in India, they said. Not only Assam, but in India, they said. Then you imagine how old this railway station would be. And you know, when this railway station was established, it was not established by me and you or the peoples of these days, but it is established and invented by the British people. When British people are here in India and as well as in Assam, and when they rule us, at that only they constructed and they built all this railway track and railway lines. So this is about it. And do you know guys, from which town this railway line is being connected? So this railway line is being connected from Silkhat town to up to Chaparmukh to Morigaon and to Guwahati. So in this way it is being collected. And it is says that it is the fourth biggest and the largest railway station in the Lamding railway division. I'm not talking about in some other railway division, but I'm just talking about in the Lamding railway station. People says that it is the fourth biggest and the largest district, and I don't know how much the answer goes through. I don't know, but they said like that. And the time mostly the train runs from this station is the time is like in the morning time, like 6:30 to 7 o'clock something. One train will come and arrive, and it will go straightly to Chaparmukh, to Moregaon, to Guwahati, and Kolkata, and many more. So this type, this is it. And in the evening time also, in the evening time, so like some 6:30 or 7 something, it will arrive here. It will depart in the morning time like 6:30 to 7, and in the evening time it will arrive here at again at the same time like 6:37, something like that. So this is about it. And some of the trains that usually runs in this railway line are like Nagong Express. Nagong Express, the name of the train like Nagong Express. That train runs from Selkatan to up to Chennai, Tamil Nadu. And another we have got light again, Selkatan to Guwahati Express again, Guwahati to Selkatan Express, and we have got Dhubri to Selkatan Express, and sometimes like Janasatabdi train also used to run in this railway line. But as we all of us knows that Janasatabdi train is little bit expensive than as compared to the other one. So the price also is little bit highly, as we all of us knows. So it rarely runs in this line, but it usually comes. And let's talk about again some other train like sometimes like the goods train, goods carrier, like the carrying coal and some petroleum and some goods, rice, everything. All those passenger trains also used to come and run in this line. And but one thing, not all the trains runs at the same time. Means and at the same time and in all the same days. Means in all the 7 days, not all the train runs in all the 7 days, but different trains runs in different days of the weeks. But like the one called that the Selkatan to Guwahati passenger express demo, that train, but usually every day it runs. Usually in the morning time we'll get. So this is about it, guys. So this is about it, guys. So this is the train, and we know each railway station and each railway junction has got its own code. And so do you know what's the station code of this Nagaon railway station? So the Nagaon railway station code is NGAN. NGAN is the railway station code of this railway station. And like again some other railway station and some railway junction also, it has got different railway station code. So this is about it, guys. So you can see the poster, you can see. So this is a poster, and right now I'm at a railway station, you can see. So this is about it, guys. So why I made this video is because many peoples from Hailakandi district, again Karimganj district, and again this is Dima Hasao district, and as well as the east and the west Karbi Anglong district peoples, they mostly don't know that there is a railway station located at Nagaon. They don't know. So I just want to make them ever alert about that there prevails a railway station here at Nagaon also. So if anyone wants to journey and travel from here, from this railway station, then they can come and can travel and journey from here. So this is about it, guys. And like in some other towns, we used to have only one railway station. But like Chaparmukh, like Hojai, like Lamding, and like Difu, we have only one railway station. But in some towns you will find that two railway stations. Like here at Nagaon we have got 2 railway stations. And if we go and talk about Guwahati also we have got 2 railway stations. One is the old one, and the other one is the new one, that's known as the Kamaikaya. And in the same way, if you go to Bongaigaon, so we have got 2 railway stations, the old Bongaigaon and the new Bongaigaon. So the same way here at Nagaon, so we have 2 railway stations. And in my next episode, or in the coming episode, I will go and describe about another one also that is known as the Hybergaon railway station one, guys. But today I have I have explored this first one, the Nagaon railway station one. So this is about it, guys. Hope you have enjoyed and my videos. And so this is about it, guys. Okay then.
girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I like the girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done now. I like the girls with their nails done now.